Lever app: the pros, the cons. If you're hiring or job hunting, the Lever app promises to streamline recruitment, but does it actually simplify the process? One of the biggest pros is efficiency. Most people get this wrong by thinking recruitment apps are just for posting jobs. Lever allows recruiters to manage applicants, schedule interviews, and track progress all in one platform. For example, you can see which candidates have been interviewed, who's pending feedback, and automatically send reminders to your team. For job seekers, the app can provide updates on application status, letting you know if your resume has been reviewed or if an interview is scheduled. This transparency reduces uncertainty and keeps the process moving quickly. Lever also integrates with tools like Google Calendar, Outlook, and Slack, which helps teams coordinate interviews and feedback in real time. Analytics dashboards provide insights into hiring timelines, candidate sources, and team performance. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional slow loading or syncing issues, especially with large candidate databases. The mobile interface can feel cramped compared to the desktop version, and advanced reporting often requires a paid plan. In conclusion, the Lever app is perfect for companies looking to manage hiring efficiently and for candidates who want clear updates. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful, smaller teams may find the setup overwhelming, and the mobile experience isn't as seamless as the desktop platform. If you're serious about recruitment, Lever can save time and improve organization, but expect a learning curve for full functionality.